so tired. You're so tired. My name is Quy-Huan Nguyen-Phuoc. I'm in year 11 and I'm 16 years old. Here next to me is my mum, Sophia Nguyen-Phuoc, and my family's background is Vietnamese. So the dish I've chosen is called Bánh lá chả tôm, which is a variation of the dish I made in the semi-finals called Bánh nam. The only difference between this dish and the semi-final dish is that this dish in the grand finals is traditionally fed to the upper class and the royalty in Vietnam.
The challenges were Quy-Huan wanted to make dishes that I don't normally make at home for him to eat. For bánh xèo, I actually asked his nanny for the recipe, asked all my friends who were good cooks for recipes. Even when I go shopping for ingredients, I even asked the people in the shop for recipes. So I went home and then I just sample, test, cook. Now Quy-Huan and I, when we were learning it, because I was learning it as well, so the authority part was like, it's not mother-daughter, mother-son as such. We tend to argue, okay, we put this in, we do this, we do that, and because we were both learning, you see, so. No, if we didn't have this program, I wouldn't. I'm very confident with Quy-Huan. I don't look at him or worry if he burned the batter or anything. Because we practiced so many times. We ate so much bánh xèo, we ate so much bánh nam that I think we can take a rest for a long time before eating it again, making it again.
I really want to thank my mum for helping me learning how to create all these Vietnamese dishes for this competition. If she wasn't here to learn how to make it so that she could teach me how to do it, I would have lost touch with all the culture that my family grew up in, my grandparents, my great-grandparents and all that. What I'm actually thinking is that I'm really grateful for her working so hard to be able to teach me these dishes. Maybe a bit too hard because I've asked her, she stayed up until like 1 a.m. just to test the right recipe to use. So I always think that it may be necessary for her to be able to work hard, but I'm grateful for all her effort that she's put in and all the time she's sacrificed for me and this competition so that I can do well in it.